Hello, my name is Michael Hovde Jr., and I'm running for Bloomingdale Township Supervisor. I have deep roots here as my parents grew up in Itasca and Roselle and graduated from Lake Park High School, and they still live in Bloomingdale. I'm a licensed attorney here in Bloomingdale with 26 years of experience. I've lived in Bloomingdale Township for over 50 years, as has my wife Jacqueline Tufo Hovde. Together we raised 3 children here who attended school in our township and all graduated from Lake Park High School. And now we enjoy our time spoiling our 3 grandchildren. Prior to being elected as supervisor in 2017, I served as trustee for the Village of Bloomingdale for 6 years. I'm a member of the Bloomingdale, Carroll Stream, Glendale Heights, and Roselle Chambers of Commerce, and I have served in various capacities with local organizations, including founding president of the Bloomingdale Education Foundation, where I have helped raise several $100,000 for local students, vice president of the Metropolitan Township Association, secretary of the Hank Gianvecchio Natural Habitat Foundation, board member of the Bloomingdale Parks Foundation, board member of the Bloomingdale Chamber of Commerce, and I'm the recipient of the Bloomingdale Character Counts Award. I am running for Bloomingdale Township Supervisor because I believe, with my integral knowledge of the office, as a tax-paying small business owner in Bloomingdale Township for over 20 years, with a payroll that provides for several employees, who has dealings with the government daily, I understand the importance of the tax burden on our residents. I want to keep costs as low as possible without sacrificing services to the residents. Township government is here to serve the people, and it should be run efficiently and intelligently to keep taxes as low as possible while providing high-quality services to our residents. The past year has placed many obstacles that we have endured, but worked together to overcome, not just for the township, but also in our personal and professional lives. While navigating this pandemic, it was critically clear just how important it is to have continued community services, such as vital mental health services, food pantry availability, and youth services. I will continue to support these programs and fight to protect them. I'm proud to have transformed our food pantry into a 501c3 tax-exempt organization, and to have drafted the bylaws and appointed the first mental health board in DuPage County. In addition to COVID preparedness, I've worked with my colleagues to install temperature scanners and hand sanitizers in all township buildings, along with PPE to provide a cleaner and safer workplace for our township employees, as well as for our residents who visit us. Despite these troubling times, we have worked to provide quality services to taxpayers, all while maintaining a debt-free balance sheet. 4 years in a row, I have lowered the township's levy by using responsible budgeting. Sensible budgeting has allowed us to expand programs for 18,000 seniors at the Senior Center for things such as tax preparation, Meals on Wheels for the homebound and needy, exercise classes, crafts, social outings, bingo, cards, as well as senior meals. I also look forward to overseeing a successful transition of Highway Department services. And after reviewing an analysis of spending and operations, we will be able to safeguard programs like electronics recycling and road maintenance, as well as snow removal and brush pickup services to continue to maintain them at high standards. In addition, our Youth Service Bureau provides counseling services for kids at risk and works closely with the schools and the police to intervene early before problems escalate. I'm proud to have tripled the number of counselors at our Youth Service Bureau since taking office, and we have eliminated the waiting list for counseling. With public safety at the forefront of conversations, I would like to see the township build upon the success of the Bloomingdale Township Mental Health Board in reducing repeat domestic disturbance calls. Through our grants to the Bloomingdale, Glendale Heights, and Roselle Police Departments, they have hired mental health professionals that help in an effort to reduce the number of repeat offender calls dramatically. I took the initiative to meet with the police chiefs in our township to encourage them to apply for our assistance, and I'm proud of the results. This also reduces police contact where a social worker would be more appropriate, freeing up resources and providing better alternatives and outcomes for our residents in need. I would like to see us expand this concept to other police departments within our township. It is also necessary to continue to communicate with the Sheriff's Department regularly, to keep abreast of resident concerns and to continue positive community policing. It is important that we continue collaborating with our local organizations and county jurisdictions. Partnering with local and county highway departments has ensured our road maintenance and snow plowing needs are met to the best of our ability. and our collaborations with local food pantries and charitable organizations are essential to continue basic needs for our community members. We will continue to enter intergovernmental agreements to provide the most efficient services, such as the mosquito abatement program led by Bloomingdale Township, that partners with all of the villages in our area so that we do not duplicate services. The township currently provides several communication outlets for our constituents. I spearheaded a complete revamp of our website, added a calendar of events, posting regular updates with more information available, and made it easier and more user and mobile friendly. After taking office in 2017, I also launched a township Facebook page that provides regular postings of information regarding events and announcements, while also allowing residents to communicate with us and the ability to share information to our other residents who may not follow us on social media. I also regularly field constituent calls and emails, and I've been known to come in on Saturdays to meet with folks at the food pantry and our diaper bank. For our seniors, we additionally provide the Senior Connection newsletter, both in hard copy and electronically. My name is Michael Hovde Jr., and I'm running for Bloomingdale Township Supervisor. If re-elected, I will continue to provide the highest quality services to the residents of Bloomingdale Township in the most cost-effective manner possible, while working with a great team of elected officials and staff, keeping an open door policy and partnering with other townships, governments, agencies, and organizations to meet the needs of our citizens. I foster open discussion and will continue to listen to the ideas and concerns of all residents, employees, and stakeholders. Please vote for me, Michael Hovde Jr., for Bloomingdale Township Supervisor, Tuesday, April 6th. Thank you.